Greetings Yoovic seller team. Today we will learn how to log in to seller account. Search yoovic.com and scroll down to footer and find seller login button, then click on it. Write down your login credentials, login email and password, then fill the verification CAPTCHA correctly, then click on login. Congratulations, your dashboard is live and open. Today we will learn how to complete the order for FBY from Verified Supplier. First we have to open the provided Verified Supplier website from Yoovic. Like savebucks.com for men's and women accessories, luxury bags and many other categories. Here you can buy all categories at great wholesale rates and can sell on platforms at very good rates and generate high profits. The second verified supplier is javstrade.com, which have the most selling products at great wholesale rates with a small minimum order quantity. At Javstrade you will get the most hot selling brands which have already a great place in the heart of USA peoples. So today we will purchase this product for FBY. Let's check the price and MOQ. Then click on Add to Cart. Once it's added to cart, then click on Cart and proceed to the checkout. Write down first name, last name, address, city and state, zip code, email address. Carefully fill all your billing of that person which credit or debit card will be used for payment. After all billing details, check and verify the details. If all the details are correct, then proceed to the most important step. Now the most important step is shipping address. If you want to ship to Yoovic warehouse in FBY model, then carefully add Yoovic warehouse address which is already provided in Yoovic seller dashboard. Let's find out where is warehouse address provided. Go to Yoovic seller dashboard and scroll down left side modules and find guidelines and policies module and click on it and then select warehouse address module to get warehouse address. Copy the warehouse address details and put carefully in shipping address. This process is only for FBY module. If you want to do FBM module, then put your personal warehouse where you want to ship the products. Then supplier will ship to your warehouse directly. In FBY module, supplier will share you the box details like box weight and dimensions with paid verified invoice for product approval on your email. Write down the same order note provided with these details so supplier will understand that shipment is scheduled to Yoovic warehouse for FBY module. After all details, verify the details again. Once your details are filled, then you have to proceed to payment to complete the order. Verify the product details and amount of your order. Then click on place order. Then fill out your payment details carefully to complete your order.